Yes, my people, welcome one more time again. Welcome to all of you, my beloved viewers and subscribers. Yes, for you, all my subscribers that have subscribed to my channel a long time ago, blessed and thank you for your support. Welcome back again. For you, the first timers, for all of you, for the first timer, just joining the channel, welcome to you. Thank you for your support, for your intention for watching this channel at this present moment. Thank you so much for your intention. Yes, my people, may the Lord God bless and keep and guide the whole away and give you more health and give you more strength to go through life. A copy, yeah man, is a blessing unto all of us, and may God bless and keep us just like that. Life recept people straight up every time, love every time. Jamaica land, love.
Yeah, man.
You, my people, enough love and respect every time. God bless you all and thank you all for your support. Blessed. Yes, my people, this is downtown Kingston. A little small road pull off. You copy, yeah, looking for goods that come into the country. What I call it now, goods that come into the country, Bandolo. Okay, yeah. So these are custom running out a small raid, putting out a raid downtown Kingston into the market area, a shop downtown in the market area. Custom running a raid on it, looking for goods that come through custom, that do not come through the custom, and it is illegal in the country. You copy that? Yeah. So that is what's going on right here, so my people. As you can see, it's a little clippings. Yeah, that is it. Alright? Big up on yourself. Enough respect. Send in your comments and let me know what you think about it. Okay? Alright. That is it. Cha-cha. Love and respect. Thing with foreign right now a total different thing from back in the days, you know?
I see two black man and I park sit down on bench and I rush the man. Old man then really them and shame. Fuck. And then flip the blood clot. Big FBI
Oh, ice. Yeah man, yo. Yo. The ice them just look for the be a black color people that look for it. Yeah man.
I born American, we are black man.
Yeah, I born American.
We are black man in my child.
Joe.
I know FBI agent are undercover, I know.
Enough time already.
You know that? FBI agent, silly. You don't know say FBI agent. Them is undercover, you know. FBI undercover them, you know. Yeah man, FBI, most FBI agents is undercover. Yeah. Them have them badge, them wear them badge inside them thing. Yeah man, I tell you that. FBI agent. No matter say FBI mostly is undercover, bro. undercover investigator. FBI there Jamaica, you know?
No.
Nothing, no.
But they're not dealing with Jamaica thing. They're not dealing with Jamaica thing. So the children they are Jamaica.
Oh, you mean, sir?
No man, them look for people them to look for man. Them have them occasion while them there, bro.
Things that they are dealing.
Them
Yeah,
man look
yeah.
yeah, that basically. Them look for the man them run way.
The man, we are Jamaica, maybe the government are watching, but
Listen to
it's
me,
watching.
I'm undercover in every unit. FBI is a unit, strike force unit. But they are undercover. Yeah. See? Same like how you're out. Regular police force, them are undercover.
Remember saying from we about FBI, you know, FBI we always say FBI people them always the one away.
That's true, yeah, true, man.
Always the one away quietly. Them always the one away quietly and secretly.
Yeah.
Yo, that's how it's like, yeah? That's the most because you are paid tax like
FBI work like secret service, like them no want come work like secret service.
You not get the battle?
No, but no, I not say it goes still, you know. If you not pay any to them, I go collect. Yeah, if you not pay anybody,
They
go
got
very
about
good.
people are paid tax there. Don't think I say if you want to go, people are paid like that. It's okay, no man. No matter who that people, you know?
Yeah, if you pay from 7 to 12 years, then no one can come and control your blood
You will
clot.
have a title on a tour, you will have 3 or 30 years. The owner been chewing long time.
You one of the one.
They
No.
don't pay
Yeah,
that.
what the man said.
Myself, the one I never
No.
did not pay none.
Oh, that we
Alright, I tell you what go on, I tell you the whole situation about it. You see, if a person want a place and have him title and him not pay no tax, if it calls it 15 years and you the in the building and I pay the tax for that 15 years. You see, if the owner eventually come up for him building, with him title, all him have to do is just refund you back your money because that him are the rightful owner. Understand me? So if once him can refund you back all of them 15 years of tax, him good for him building, but if him can't refund you a year place. So him have to make an agreement with you now.
Changes where they make now.
Yeah.
But one time changes. When
Yeah,
I say
yeah.
if you chew it for 7 years, or when you have a 100 blood clot type and come,
No, baby,
you're not
like
attack. Listen me, them change it to 12 years.
Mm.
From 7 to 12. And then when you reach 12 now, then we have discussion on it. Like,
Then get to the owner first.
yeah, like them now go do that again. But you see, if you do it before them change the system, then can't stop your thing again. Yeah.
Like for instance, if I wanna find out say a person appeared up on him place, him can step in.
You left too long, the person.
Yeah, if I even say 10 years pass or 12 years pass, him can step in and show him him responsibility by refund or even give you something extra on your thing for show
But you
appreciation.
must grow well if I interest to one. You couldn't just play back and fly.
Yeah, you can probably you say you want interest for your money because you can take your money to do better things.
Interest of the file.
So I'm going to give you something on it. See? Yeah?
I don't really like it, you know that. But you shouldn't have him bad. The tattoo. The virgin story. But because of the take him in there, rum some company back in the video. You do have a tattoo.
So then catch him.
Back in the
Then I come back, my brother already took me when 40 the day or so. I hear man, I get dead. I'm catching a yard and he's smuggling the cat in a night with butter. Rub butter on him with it and make the butter lick it off. And come back.
Fine.
Where's that? Where's that?
You never know what I
I
mean.
think I fear rum and drink.
Eh?
Call him rum tongue.
Yeah. Fine.
Oh, call no food no go pan him tongue and pay rum. That's why they call him rum tongue.
Yeah.
Okay. But you want to eat food at early morning time like now.
First thing for him, my morning time. You take rum already, man. That first
You drink come already?
Long time in the blood clot.
But at the first, we see you eat a food still, I'm not telling a lie.
But you know, I'm taking some iron tablets, so you know what I'm saying.
Oh, yeah, you don't want food. Yeah.
When they eat food, man, you can't tell man.
You understand? You gotta talk to me about food. I got one or two.
You know still about. Man, yeah. Some man them just feed on this rum thing. Can I feed on rum? But they want to drink liquor again too tough.
Yeah.
Yeah, they drink a one beer now and again. Understand me? One dragon or one Guinness. You understand me?
You drink hard drink again.
Huh?
Yeah.
You don't drink liquor?
Drink
Yeah, man.
hard, brother. Like cut them stop, brother.
If we drink a one beer today, remember they are the next month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months time. You know?
Where's what I'm saying? Yeah, come back.
Brother, come tell us every man if I don't hold.
Especially Guinness.
Look, a man say that he don't come back, I can't stop them.
And one thing we certainly you can see me drink every day.
Eh?
I'm a
Water.
sharp man, you know why? I'm a sharp man there. Stop making you style. Stop making food and everything.
I'll bottle drinks and
You
then
know why?
blood clot.
And every time we talk.
Well,
No, and then you will see me drink one of them because one day.
Yeah, you see them flavour water there. Me drink the flavour water.
You know, come back and listen.
Me love the when tell me love the island flavour. Me love the island flavour long time. So me drink the island flavour and the flavour water. But you see, otherwise from that, the only thing we drink otherwise is D&G ginger beer. You understand me? And here we drink D&G ginger beer now. Must be a morning time if you don't drink no tea. I'm gonna feel good in my body. I mean, I burn, you know?
Yeah.
We go to Bam and get a D&G ginger beer and drink and revive back yourself. You see? Yeah. So, but otherwise than that, we don't drink none of them soda there. We just drink a tang when I go up, we just make, when them things them stop, you're mad man. Make sure you stop mix tang in my house, because when you stop mix tang now, if you're there in your house with the woman and mix tang and put in a fridge to drink, when Sunday come and then cook dinner, tang them and mix, because them see you mix it all the while. So, them things them just cut.
Them thing that to the girl there.
Yeah man, I don't drink tang again
No
man.
tang.
I'm just a woman and mix it, I get your Sunday dinner man. I get your Sunday dinner where you get for drink with it. Tang.
When?
So the woman them do it now and most women do it now. Them a young girl nowadays and mix soursop juice and great a carrot girl.
No, but that's the way you want she figure you.
I tell you, say the young girl nowadays now give along soursop
no matter how
juice.
they young if them there with me there.
Or you look after it, them sister that you want.
Them can't look but no tongue, no
young guy,
Kool-Aid,
yeah,
no
that's
syrup,
right.
nothing like that.
Me?
Blood clot.
A young guy did that for everything I read.
Read them.
Let's come in one bomber class.
I saw you go more time, man. I saw you go more time. When me have nothing else, you.
Yeah,
So go.
When they done in come, man.
Ah, just like that. You let the nail from there.
blood clot said.
When they done in come.
Tell you this, man. You say, if you as a man, if you get the right woman, for no man, you have woman out there, man. I tell you that difference
Yeah,
from
you have
girl.
good woman out
You have good woman out there, man. You
Grass,
see, where If are you like, alright, say are you no cutter? You get to have a good woman in your life, you know, eh? In 6 months' time, you know, a different cutter we are seeing, you know. Totally, me I tell you that, you know. When you see cutter, we are saying, John, no cutter. Your life does, everything just look fresh for you, just look different completely. You understand me?
Right. Yeah. You're right.
You see, when a man live and him don't have a woman in his life, bro, you can know because there's a difference. See?
Whole heap of difference.
There's a difference. See what I did? So basically, a man if he just knows, so boy, woman is a must. Basically, yeah. Woman is a must. Yeah.
So the type of woman where that one.
Or the type of woman where you feel look. Everybody I run down young girl, you know.
You feel look.
Everybody I run down young girl, don't it?
Always I try to look who you want to look. But it's for them attitude after you look them.
Alright, and you grew up all this time, all these years, you grew up as a youth.
Yeah, me, you
And
can't
see.
change people, man.
No, you're not listening to me, I
When you
say.
get into people, you know people.
If you listen to me, I
And
say
they
otherwise.
don't change,
Listen to me, I say.
That's why they stay all long, you just know them.
If you was young youth and you look girls, see? And you realize, say, looking girls, after a while, it backfire upon you, then call it in a way that say, they're not really interested in a relationship, but you force a relationship on them. You understand what I mean? Yeah, you force it in a something with them. But when a woman directly wants something with you, it's totally different from you where wants something with she.
It
But
don't
she not
stay
in
more
nothing with
longer.
you.
It don't stay more longer, man.
But she not in nothing with you.
Man love, woman spirit tech.
Nowadays, woman a spirit tech. Baba and got you.
Woman will love you too.
Yeah?
Woman will love you too.
A woman will love you. But you have to help them.
And now when it up there, when it up there, when it drop down,
That man look like a dog, you tell him.
Hmm?
A man look up man look like a dog. And I'll go up there. I watch interest here. You see me?
You hear me? You said that if you're not up there, she's not interested in your blood.
Do your thing. Yeah.
now when one say, a woman will have intimate with a man
So you have nothing.
when I have no money.
Yeah, man.
And the man will she have
everything.
everything.
But you don't want him.
But none of that are the issue. The man when have no money, have the wood.
Alright, you put it that way
Man
there.
have the money, now have no wood for suit she. But you have
Alright,
the
you put it that
money.
way there because we can't put it that way there
If you
because
have
it
the
work
wood,
that
you
way
have the
there.
money, you're good.
Yeah, it work that way there too because if you don't have no money and you can love your woman the right and proper way, trust me, you can't wrong.
Man go look it can't come give you. So you try and know that part.
You can't wrong.
Right here. Now come.
But you know,
You just see
the whole issue about it, a man for us know, say boy, you hear me? There's a lot of a goal out there glitter. But try just remember say,
You know you talk
and
about it.
everything will glitter. A real goal. Some of them are fraud.
Hey, right now, me tell you this. Every girl right, I just money. Them a look.
Money. Yeah,
Money.
most of
You see
most
the girl them will have money. Come like them a turn sodomite. Them don't want nobody.
They want comfortable.
no, that's still no. There's something we change the narrative of that thing on my youth. Yeah, we are changing the narrative of that now. The woman them I find out say these man them are really interested in say boy love. A 1 and 2 man you see what the right and now say boy I'm loving woman you know, bro. know, the FHE Square coming back through. You see my people, yeah man. This is Jamaica. You see the beautiful island of our Jamaica. I don't know, sister called me and let's say boy just come pick up a thing for her, so just pick up a washing machine and carry her home, is in? Yeah. And just boy head back down now my people, so I'm gonna reach back at FHE. You see man, yeah man, I carry her go up a grand spend. Yeah. So reach back at FHE right now. So I'm heading back in a town now, my people, you see? I'm going to stop across the road. Don't know. So the clock there, people, after 3 o'clock. Yeah, man, 1 o'clock they are all these years. Not change. How that up there, sir? You seeing Bolt? Yeah. Yeah man, that's Saturday my people, I don't know. Sun blistering hot. You copy? So you know the hustling depend. Yeah man, big up yourself, see? The hustler depend on the roadside, you know, you have to do him eat, you have to eat him food, you have to do him thing. You see? That is it. That is the whole thing about it. Taste is over there, so there. You see? Yeah. Cargill Avenue, this is my people. Yeah man, remember Cargill Avenue, House of Leo. My God have mercy. Jajano, House of Leo. Yeah man. See there, Cargill Avenue, my people. See the House of Leo right down there, but it's not done. I'm done with the House of Leo. You copy? Yeah. So, as I say, we are head going down to town. Wow, Knoxford Express. At a head out, I go to Negril or one of them places. That is the Knoxford Express. You copy? Yeah. Yeah man, heading down FHE Road. Yeah man, I head towards Crossroad. You understand what I say, my people? Yeah. No joking thing about it. Serious thing this. One time gone, a big thing going there, so. Big thing going right there, so one time gone, my people, trust me. I better here, man. I come to the better here, man. State. Yeah, man, state become state mall. Yeah, the state theater. You copy all of the bad show them and that's it usually come. State. You copy that, yeah. Yeah, man. Now you have Regal, you have state, and you have Carib. But you know, the state carry the wickedest show them. Who can, in the comments and let me know. See? Yeah, in the comments and let me know, my people, because me, the wickedest that show them usually watch are states. You see? Yeah, man. Regal carried on some bad show, but Regal mostly kill it with the mostly bad with the kung fu. But you say states, when they come onto the gangster show them, the hit show, yeah, states always have them show there. You copy? Yeah. Yeah, man. Let me know in the comments what you think about that, my people. People from back to them days, you can remember back to them days, so just let me know when you think, see? Yeah. So, just comment and let me know. Remember also if you like up the video. I like my people, yeah, man. Jaja know. Yo, my people, I say I think I love going on the politics thing, but I tell you, I say I think I go on the parliament, the boy, I don't know about. Parliament look disgusting to me. Yeah, man, Parliament look disgusting to me. We can't believe, say, Parliament is like that because a place like Parliament where we really say we want to be the place Parliament will be the place. You see me? Yeah. Parliament will be the place where you know say boy. Where you unify the country, bring the country together, seeing as one. Yeah, a Parliament we look forward for that. You see? And when the representatives we elected representatives, we represent all consequences. We represent all consequences in the island. Imagine if you tell me now, say, these are what they're going on in the House of Parliament. But you know, the whole thing, what I'm telling about, you see the whole corruption and everything will start from the House Speaker, you know, my people. Yeah. The person who them select to be the House Speaker. Because basically the House Speaker should never be that person. Alright? Yeah. House Speaker should be a more independent person. See? She's not an independent person. Understand me? She represents, she is the ruling party leader wife. And she represents a consequence where people go and vote for her. All speakers are supposed to be no consequence. All speakers are supposed to just be an ordinary person. Probably a senator picked by government senator. No, not even that. Because Senate, unless that independent senator, see? But not a picked by government or opposition senator. See what I did? But all speakers are supposed to be more free. You see? All speakers are supposed to be more free. But as we see it now, it's like due to all the Prime Minister wife. So where we see Aguaya now is the House Speaker a take side with her husband party. Basically, that's a go on. You see? But you're not supposed to go on. You see? You're not supposed to go on, bro. See? Have a fear house leader, house speaker, where they run the house and sit it that say the two party but underneath the rules and regulation. So That's how where the whole thing I come from. Seeing that's why I find say the house now under this eruption. See? Yeah, the house is under this eruption due to how the house speaker. You see me? Yeah, due to how the house speaker. Them feel that the house speaker now give them a fair treatment. See? The house speaker now give them a fair treatment. House speaker deal with them bias. Like now give them a time, I cut them off, cut off mic and all them cut in there. So you know, and now come down now, the opposition, them know say them not supposed to touch the maize. Them know, and I say them know, them know. So them not supposed to touch the maize. In a session, a parliament session, when parliament in session. See? Only the marshal supposed to deal with that. See? Yeah. And I'm not know if it says still, but them decide say a certain go, and right now me not like how parliament I go. Parliament is just disgusting to me. Right now. Parliament is like it now bring no peace. Peace to them now bring no peace to the island. Understand me, I say my people? Yeah. All them I do is just disgusting in the parliament. Them now try to unify the island. So everybody can come together and know say boy, yeah, parliament is there for a reason. Understand me? Yeah. No, we don't see that, we don't see them thing there. You copy? Yeah man. So but that crossroad go through crossroad the people. Right now, it's a course that we have passed. That's how I'm done at my brother places, so we stop early on. Yeah. Yeah, my people, so just subscribe to the channel, like up the video, comments and let me know what you think about this video, my people. Yeah? And just look forward to the next video. Okay, my people? Yeah, man. Keep it going. And remember to watch the video from the start to the end. And if you reach this far, thank you so much for your contribution. Thank you so much. By watching my video to this end, watch out my video from the start to the end. A big contribution, that my people. Thank you so much for it. I appreciate it. Alright, yeah man, big up on yourself and thank you. I'm out.